Hello friends, this is Chandrakant Ghosh. Today I'll tell you about standard normal distribution in this video. I have already talked about normal distribution in my previous video, and we know that a normal distribution can take on any value as its mean and standard deviation. But in the standard normal distribution, the mean and standard deviation are always fixed, that is 0 and 1. Therefore, we can say that standard normal distribution will have mean equal to 0 and standard deviation equal to 1. We can take any normal distribution and convert it to the standard normal distribution by using the z-score formula, which is z equal to x minus mu upon sigma, where z is the z-score, or we can say that standard score. X is the value which is to be standardized, and mu is the mean, and sigma is the standard deviation. Let's try to understand the z-score. Suppose if a z-score is 1.5, then we can say that it is 1.5 standard deviation away from the mean. Let's try to understand in this way. We'll draw the x-axis of a standard normal distribution, which is mean equal to 0, 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, 3 standard deviation, minus 1 standard deviation, minus 2 standard deviation, minus 3 standard deviation. Here 3 is the standard deviation, 3 is the z-score. That means we can say that it is 3 standard deviation away from the mean. Similarly, here 2 is the z-score. Therefore, we can say that it is 2 standard deviation away from the mean. Similarly, here minus 1 is the z-score. Therefore, we can say that it is minus 1 standard deviation away from the mean. Similarly, minus 2 is the z-score. Let's take an example to understand how the x value can be converted to z-score. So let's see the example. A survey of a train for daily delay time had these results in minutes. Daily delay time of a train is 49 minutes, 40 minutes, 34, 37, 44 minutes, 55 minutes, 42 minutes, like this. And its mean is 44.13 minutes. And standard deviation is 6.23 minutes. Convert the value to z-score or standard score. We'll use the z-score formula, that is z equal to x minus mu upon sigma. I have taken the x value here. These all are x value, 49, 40, 34. I have taken from there these x values. I'll show you the calculation part here and we'll get the value here. That is z-score, x value here is 49 minus mean value here is 44.13 divided by standard deviation. Here standard deviation is 6.23. Here we'll get the value of z-score, which is x value, which is 49 minus mean value which is 44.13 bracket close divided by standard deviation which is 6.23 plus enter, will get the z-score value which is 0.78. Therefore it is 0.78 standard deviation away from the mean. Similarly, we can calculate z-score for another x value which is 40. Therefore z-score equal to x which is 40 minus mean which is 44.13 bracket close divided by standard deviation which is 6.23. Here we will calculate x value which is 40 minus mean value which is 44.13 bracket close divided by standard deviation which is 6.23. Press enter, will get the z-score value which is minus 0.66. Therefore it is minus 0.66 standard deviation away from the mean. Similarly, we can calculate z-score for x value 34. Z-score equal to x which is 34 here, mean which is 44.13 bracket close divided by standard deviation which is 6.23. Here we'll calculate z-score x which is 34 minus mean which is 44.13 bracket close divided by standard deviation which is 6.23. Press enter, we'll get the z-score value which is minus 1.62. Let's calculate z-score for the value 37. Therefore z-score equal to x which is 37 minus mean value which is 44.13 bracket close divided by standard deviation which is 6.23. Here we will calculate the z-score value equal to x value here is 37 minus mean value which is 44.13 bracket close divided by standard deviation which is 6.23. Press enter, we will get the z-score value which is minus 1.14. So we have seen the standard normal distribution and how to calculate z-score. So this was all about standard normal distribution. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe it by click on the bell icon. Add your valuable comments and share this video to your friends and colleagues to improve and refresh their knowledge. We'll see you in my next video where I'll continue the topic normal distribution with an example. Have a good day.